This is at the chemistry building. Now check this out, this is a little peculiar. There's RT fire service on a Schindler HT. It's pretty weird. You know, this honestly seems like it's a very early Schindler HT because, look, it's got the Schindler logo, it's got like the older style. Like it really looks like it's basically just an MT, but with Schindler HT VR buttons, which is peculiar. Let's take a look at the outside just because why not? This is nice. The indicator's burnt out up there. Anyway, oh, this one's here as well. Cap seems to be a slight bit smaller. Maybe it's just me though. And then go down to one. I'm not sure what this is about, this floor lockout for a floor A, considering there's no floor A on the panel. So unless the key switch is literally the way to call it to A, which is illegal because it's not up to fire code. Anyway, yeah, I think these are very early 400As. But that's it. Well, we'll watch this one close up, if it ever does. And that's it.